Ah, there's a spider. So welcome to summer. Alright, take two. with our cinematic crusader. Here with another titanium take, here's our movie maven Kai.
Hello everybody, may the 4th be with you. I'm so glad that you came to join us this week. How is it already May? So tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo. We already passed May Day. Mother's Day is next week. What is happening? Like, summer is coming upon us, and I don't know about you, but my summer bod is definitely not ready. So I'm thinking we're gonna stay inside a lot this year. It's better for you anyway, right? Like, it helps with the lines and the wrinkles that, you know, everybody who's 114 like me very much understands. So make sure that you have all your SPF, make sure that you are taking care of yourself. You're staying indoors and under shade, even when you need to go out and get that little bit of vitamin D, guys. And I feel like as a millennial, it would be absolutely impossible for me to talk about preparing for summer without talking about the absolute classic Camp Nowhere. Here's the thing. I love this movie. I loved it when I was a kid. I rewatched it as an adult, and it is one of those movies that just makes you go, how did we do this? How did we get away with this? How did we think these things and say these things? But at the heart of it, it's still a very funny, zany, wacky movie. So if you've not seen it, Christopher Lloyd, Jonathan Jackson, Andrew Keegan, Allison Mack, already some issues coming in here. So the kids want to basically dupe their parents into letting them go to this made up summer camp that they've come up with. They're taking all the money and going to spend the summer together. One of them was supposed to go to computer camp. Another one was supposed to go to fat camp. Another one was supposed to go to like acting, modeling, theater camp. And they find Christopher Lloyd and they go, hey, will you be somebody who is the head of all these camps, convinces our parents to give you all of their money and lets us have just an absolutely amazing summer. And it works, and they do. And it's a really interesting story about, like, you know, how people kind of perceive each other when you have essentially all these tropes kind of get together in one area, and they all have to deal with each other and better understand each other. And so in that way, it's incredible to, you know, see what they were trying to build. The way they got there was not the greatest. If you have seen it back in the day and you liked it, don't watch it again. It will absolutely ruin it for you. Keep your good memories. Keep your amazing memories of this movie. If you've never seen it and you want to see why we are the way that we are, us millennials, watch the movie. It's actually a really interesting snapshot. I believe it came out in 1997 of the time. And it was right, you know, as everybody was kind of coming up on that higher acceptance of, you know, queerness and differences, you know, mentally and cognitively. And we all still had kind of our ideas of what that meant when it came to acceptance, when it came to sort of understanding that people were different and the ways that we were going to, you know, speak to that and defend and everything. It's a snapshot. Enjoy at your own risk. As I said, you know, you have people like Andrew Keegan and Allison Mack who are in this movie. And if you don't know who they are, I'm sure you probably do. Even if you don't actually know their names. So Allison Mack was on a show called Smallville, early 2000s. It was the beginning of, you know, Clark Kent, Lex Luthor, them in high school. And Andrew Keegan was famous for 10 Things I Hate About You. He played Joey. He was on a couple of different TV shows. So Allison Mack ended up being in the middle of this like sex trafficking ring. In the late 2000s, and Andrew Keegan started his own church here in Los Angeles, and he is considered a cult leader now. And, you know, living their best lives. But Andrew Keegan, I think, is trying to kind of do that whole, hey, remember when I was a heartthrob thing, and he's kind of pulling away from the church that he created. And trying to revamp that whole persona and everything that he has. So it's a really, you'll recognize people and you'll go, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, all the way through it and see, you know, the things that they were in. And then some people that you really like in it and go like, wow, they never did anything ever again. But of course, you know, being the huge Back to the Future fan that I am, Christopher Lloyd really does just take, you know, every scene and make it amazing. So once again, Camp Nowhere, summer's coming, get ready for it. And I mean, we only have a few weeks left to go before that hits us. And you know, somebody might have a birthday coming up as well. So I don't know, if you want to send me a little message or a little gifty gift or something, like that's absolutely a thing. My Amazon list is in my Instagram profile. Anyway, have a wonderful rest of your week, guys. Take that time for yourself. Be safe on Cinco de Mayo. Be safe on May the 4th. May the 4th be with you guys. Drink your water, take your meds. We love you, and we'll see you next week.
Beautiful day for some McDonald's.
Hi, will you be using my rewards?
Yes, it's ME76. ME76, yeah.
Jessica?
Yep, that's me.
Thank you. Pull forward.
All right, thank you.
How you doing?
Good. Home before sunset on a Saturday night is how I like it.